What's up, Lalas? Red light, this is awkward. Green light, let's go. You know I call ya. You know what time it is. It's about that time, baby. Shoot some fish, baby. Everybody looking at me like a crazy. Put the GoPro a little bit lower. I'll turn this fucker off. As I stand aside and look, some say I'm just a something. Won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? It's all I ever heard. I still ain't got my intro down yet. What's going on? Hey, what's up, guys? Nah, but today we're gonna go dive. We're gonna go check out the spot we went to the last time. Cause I need redemption. I missed the uhus, I missed the moo like a fucking jackass. So I need redemption. So it's all about that. Redemption song. We're out there at our keys. He's about to jump in the water, but swells. Might have to go more, head more west. Deep west. Deep. Fuck, I want to put travel, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty dirty too, huh? We just head more down then, huh? It's Macaw Beach right there. Fuck, let's go check out one other spot. Look at that Hawaiian taking his towel around. Must be showing him the spots, you know? Showing him the aina. He has to be a tourist. No locals use GoPros, man. Take me home. I remember growing up loving the swells. Every time I had waves, like, fuck yeah, I get waves. All stoked. Nowadays, now that I like diving, I see waves, I'm like, fuck. Fucking hate waves now. It's funny how things change. Check another beach.
Almost heaven, West Macaw, High Ridge Mountain, crystal clear blue water. All my friends there, hanging down the beach, young and old among them, feel the ocean breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Macaw, Mount Carla, oh take me home, oh country road. I heard a voice in the morning, it calls me as though to remind me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I feel spirits coming to me from yesterday, yesterday. All my memories hold heaven on high. Brown skinned woman, clear blue island sky. Daytime sun shines, oh so bright. Midnight moon a glowing, stars up in the sky. Country road.
Alright, so it looks like this is a spot Our old faithful diving spots. It's a lot cleaner over here. Jump in, see what we can catch. What about the fisherman? Let's fucking get it. See fuckers.
Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Where you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. It was easy, you know you. Oh, I want something just like this. It was easy, you know you.
What is going on, you fuckers? So right here, most people would have thought that's on reef right there. You gotta have the conch eye. Gotta have the conch eye, baby. Yeah, that's messing, but right now I found one. I'm all stoked. I found one before, but I ended up losing it. So this one I'm super stoked I finally found one. The plan is to eat the urchin and to make a horn out of it. You know what I mean? Just like back in the day, the Hawaiians used to use that. So I have my own. I found my own. I didn't buy it. You know what I mean? I found it myself. So there's like more meaning to it.
Finally, I ain't losing this one. Yes! Fuck yeah! Conch, baby! I better not lose this one. You're coming home with daddy.
Okay, so right here I found 2 tacos right now. 2 tacos, and I'm like, yes! Like us divers, we love seeing that. 2 tacos, 1 crack. That's what I'm going for. So I'm gonna try to go down and I'm gonna try to get 2 tacos at one time. So right now I'm just trying to get this one out, but he's being kind of stubborn. So I'm like, shit, come on, get out. I finally got this one out, so I'm going for the second one. Second one's kind of deep, and the current is strong, man. It's ripping, and I was carrying around that shell the whole time, so I'm just giving myself excuses. So I'm tired. I'm like, fuck, I gotta come up. I kind of pulled a double one time.
Ah! Couldn't get the 2 one time. Failure.
So right here, my cousin's like, oh, let me help you out. It's good to have good dive partners, baby. Help you all out. Like, shoot, save me a drop. So So I put my taco on my stringer, and then my cousin finds his own conch shell. I'm like, this guy. I finally find mine, and you go and find a bigger one.
You couldn't let me have my shite today, yeah? Excellent. Oh, for real? Oh, shit, let me see that taco. Yeah.
Some superhuman guess, some superhero, some fairy tale lies, just something I can turn to. Somebody I can kiss. I want something just like it was easy, you know you made it was me, I was taking it was easy, you know you made I want something just like
Just got out the water, baby. Not bad, not bad. See how we did. Yeah. Brother Pat with his ooh. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We both got fucking conch shells. How's that? Yeah. Bird down. I just pick up a couple tacos. Here's the catch, boys. Oh shit. How's this fucking birdie? Yeah. Like shit. Just to pick up a couple tacos, bro. The current was crazy, huh? Fucking current was ripping. Oh, I was so tired. I was trying to get the double. Oh, my breath was just all fucked up. Then, swimming and carrying that conch shell is fucking heavy, man. So the whole time I'm just tired. It's heavy, and then when I go down, my breath hold, the fucking current was just nuts. But still made out. Still got a couple tacos. Pat got a nice bird, nice Vicky, some papillos. I'm stoked about the conch shell, man. I've been wanting one so bad. I got one before, but it ripped out of my bag. But now I finally brought it out the water, so I'm all stoked. You can do it to uhu, stuff them.
Oh yes.
Oh yes, yeah.
Maybe we're gonna try the nice recipe I showed right now.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna bust out the secret recipe with the sauce on the gravy.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Maybe some green onions, you know, on there.
Make sure you hit up your boy, huh?
Oh,
Make sure you hit up your boy. You're about to grind, huh? He's like fucked up. You're right. I get big family clone. Fuck, I gotta hurry up and get me a fucking bird. I'm gonna expire pretty soon. I gotta fucking renew my dive license. I've fucking been so long. Might have to hang up the gun right there. Shit. I'm pretty stoked, I'm not gonna lie. I finally got my conch shell. Time to head back in. Time to head home. Head home. Maybe make some squid luau with the taco. Pat gonna call me up when he stuff his uhu. Yeah, but Pat. You know your boy hungry, huh?
you're gonna have to stop in the holiday first and try and find out that loose $20 so they can grab us some beer.
Oh, I might already have some beer, baby.
Yeah, I still got like 9 left at home, but you know, for us and this fucking lovely uhu, I think we're gonna need a little bit more than that.
You know, Pat down 9 by himself. About that time, baby. Now we're about to clean the uhu, scale it, got it. Chopping board. Usually we stuff the uhus, but today we're about to do Pat's recipe, baby. Switch them up a little bit. Show you guys what we're talking about. First, let me clean this uhu.
Daddy, too old. Come on, you do better than that. Come on.
Yes, look at that bad boy. Woo! Get on honors. Ready to mom. When I popped off and your girl gave me just a little bit of lockjaw, maybe some more. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Let's rest for you.
Oh yes. Yeah, yeah. Something different from the stock, huh? Rick Flat Drip go woo! Squid, wow, come here.
I know. Graduation.
I'm gonna just sample that after, show you guys how it's done.
Fuck, it's still stuck in the throat.
Okay, check out the spread. Squid luau on the O, baby. Oh, some taco poke. Yeah. West side, going from the west side, even down out there for the Baka
and the west side.
Oh, double.
Show him on the double.
But Jazz, you know mine had to be on YouTube or tick and tat it out, huh? Watch out.
I'd be looking at the comments though. You should have used a spoon for this one.
Grab another spoon. Get plenty of spoons.
Oh yeah, we got a spoon for that.
Yeah, there you go.
That's recipe. Oh, wee. You ready for cocoa? Yeah. Come over here.
Oh, is she good?
Good. Yeah, Bree.
John, this taco poke is major too.
Yeah, the fucking poke is good.
No, for real. I don't know how to make poke, you know. Like,
I gotta get the recipe. Hurry
Yeah, I
up.
don't know how.
We get the blessed living, that's all.
Tell them.
Blessed living.
Tell them.